I'm staying in this hotel. Instead of having a bunch of cords and cables all over the place, I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's a 3-in-1 phone, watch, AirPods, etc. charger, and it comes in this small little box here. And I thought that this might simplify my charging and power needs while I'm on vacation and traveling. So let's unbox it and take a look. And this one is in white. I think they come in black or white, so you can find one that suits you. And we get a little instruction booklet here. Looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward, I think. So we do get a little charging block right here. We also get a charging cable, which has USB to USB-C, which I actually really like because USB-C passes a lot of power here. So it's kind of a big charging block. Actually, this is a little bit smaller. It's kind of more Apple-ish. You can see how big it is. So pretty robust. And then here is the charger itself, and it feels like a set of coasters. It's actually not that heavy. I mean, it's kind of dense, but this outside is kind of rubberized, so it feels soft. And as you can see there, we have kind of a tri-fold, and you can pull it open just like that, but it will snap back like that. So about the size of a small coaster, I think, in terms of square footage, and then maybe a little less than an inch thick here. And then we have these, I'm guessing, like silicone connection pieces, which make it flop open here. And then you can see, you can go either way supposedly, but we have some shiny reflective designs on the side, phone here, Apple Watch here. And what's cool about this is that this is slightly concave, so that Apple Watch charger has a little bit of an indentation where the watch can sit, so that's going to go in there. And as you can see here, I can push it up through the bottom, so it'll stand up like this, so you can actually put your Apple Watch on it, because with the watch band sometimes you need that space. It's actually not that easy to charge this if it is having to sit directly on the pad. Looks like we have some lights there, and then we have another charging pad right here, and this is for the earbuds or the AirPods. My guess though is if you have two wireless charging phones, you could put them here. So here is the USB charging port on that side, so let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it works. Got it plugged in there. Ooh, we get some lights. Shows that the different pads are active with the little blue lights right there, I believe. So, and now what I want to do is take this iPhone with this little MagSafe charger on here. Go ahead and slap it on there. I love that that lights up. That shows it's charging, which is pretty awesome. So if I take this Apple Watch here, go ahead and throw it on the charger. Make sure that's vertical. The watch is now charging, and that is lit up as well. So that is pretty awesome. I love the fact that this is showing me what's charging and what isn't. And I love the fact that they've thought about these little things like having this fold down so that the Apple Watch can charge, so you don't have to take off the watch band there. So pretty awesome. And I think if you have the AirPods, you could certainly put those on there, but I bet you might be able to put your phone over here and have it charge too. Look at that. It's charging on the phone, and if I look at the indicator there, that is also on there. So I could put an Apple Watch and two iPhones. That's pretty awesome. It means that this little device here can go with me on my trips, and it's going to take up a lot less space than having three separate chargers. So if you want to pick this up to make your charging life simpler and your vacationing a little bit better, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.